The matter is going to start in 5 seconds. Start. Your address has referred to the economic resolution of the AICC session and what you call the bewildering changes taking place in rapid succession. I think changes can seem to be bewildering only to those who wish to remain where they are. Those who wish to go ahead see the changes as part of the changes which are coming about in the entire world. And while you may complain that changes are taking place too fast, let me tell you that there are many in the country who feel that the changes are not taking place fast enough. I do not dispute. In fact, I have said so many times that the private sector has made a substantial contribution in bringing about rapid industrialization and in broadening and diversifying the industrial base of our economy. But business and industry should be the first to acknowledge that this process of development had itself brought in its wake certain tensions and new problems, and unless these are effectively tackled, further development will be harmed. Our new economic and social policy resolution only seeks to identify the basic causes of tensions and earnest and to remove them. I welcome your statement that the business community is aware of its obligations. This will improve the image of businessmen in the society of which they are a part. It is possible to draw a minimum program of action and to implement it vigorously. Perhaps I could indicate a few possible directions in which business and industry could act in concert and could demonstrate their awareness of their social obligations. One of the most serious problems facing us is the adulteration of food and drugs. It is a widespread evil which cannot be put down by government action alone. Enlightened sections of the business community could mount a campaign against this evil, which not only deprives the consumer of the value of his money, but in many cases possess a positive health hazard. Nothing damages the public image of the business community in India so much as this unethical practice. Another social evil is rather a complex of social evils. It is what it is termed as luxurious consumption. This is undesirable by itself because it dissipates the savings of the community into unproductive channels. It is both the cause and the effect of other antisocial practices such as tax evasion and tax avoidance. Full stop.